Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be transforming my 2 weeks old jumbo goddess twist into a beautiful afro kinky hair. So I'm going to be starting from unraveling the twist and show you guys how to take out the twist and all that. So let's go straight into the video right about now. Okay, this is the hair right here. This is the jumbo goddess twist. I've had this hair for 2 weeks now, and it's time to switch it and turn into something else. So as you can see, the twist is still doing really good. The parts are still very neat, but I just want something different. I want a big afro hair. So to start, I'm going to be taking down this twist, and I'm going to be showing you guys two methods on how to take out the rubber band. It's really simple, depends on if you want to reuse the rubber band, or you just want to quickly take out the twist. So the first method is taking out the rubber band safely. So using the rat comb, I'm going to be using that to remove the rubber band, just pulling it all the way down, just like that, and there you go, you have your rubber band for a reuse. So but for me, I want to remove this hair really quick because I have a new hairstyle in mind. So I'm taking a little scissors, I'm just going in and I'm gonna cut the rubber band just like that, quick, easy. So right now I'm going ahead to unravel the twist really quick too. It doesn't take that much time to unravel the twist. So to remove the hair, I'm gently separating my hair from the coil hair extension from both sides. So right there, and next I'm gonna go ahead and just slowly pull the coily hair extension out, just taking my time, not forcing it. I don't want to break my hair, so just gently removing it one at a time, just like that, and it's done. It's super easy, quick, and that is it for this part. So moving on to the next step. So right here I'm just arranging the hair because I'm going to be reusing it for the crochet braid. Okay, so I've taken down all the twist, and here is the hair all ready for the crochet braid. Okay, and also real quick, if you haven't seen the video on how I did the goddess twist, I'll put the link in the description box down below. So be sure to click on the link to watch how I did the goddess crochet twist. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and do the braided pattern. So I'm just gonna braid the hair according to the line I already have, and with the rubber band in place. I did remove the rubber band because I'm not in the mood to deal with the detangling process. Detangling my hair takes a lot of time, and I'm not ready for that today. So I'm just going ahead to braid it. And yeah, guys, this is not a braiding pattern, but when it comes to crochet braiding pattern, I usually do a zigzag braid on the back because that gives me more volume and gives you more like a fuller look after you're done doing your crochet braid. So I did the braid according to the line I already have for the goddess twist. So just do like a zigzag braid on the back, and then from the front section I braided from one end to the middle and the other side to the middle, and connect both braids together. So for the last braid right here, I did two braids on each side of the middle section. So now I'm just crocheting it crisscross just to give me the U part shape in the middle part right there. Okay, almost done. All right, so this is the lazy day braiding pattern for my crochet braids. Like I said earlier, this is not a typical crochet braid pattern, okay? Just ignore this part. This is my own lazy day situation. I'm trying to deal with it. But yeah, this is what I'm working with today. Okay, so so to do the crochet braid is really easy. So you want to take the crochet hook, pass it through your braid, hook the hair and pull it through. So next, using the crochet hook, hook the hair, pass it through the loop, hook it again and pass it through the loop, and then pull on the ends to secure it in place. Okay, again, pass the crochet hook through the hair, through the braid, hook the hair, pass it through, then twist once, pass it through the loop, twist again, pass it through the loop, just like that. So since the braid are really thick and I didn't take my time to do a small braid for this crochet pattern, so what I did, I crochet on the bottom side, on the bottom part of the braid, and then next right here I'm gonna go ahead and crochet on the top part of the braid. Okay, so for the middle part, so you can decide how you want your crochet braid to look. You can do the regular crochet braid, or you can do the knotless crochet braid. So that would give you the visible knot method on the middle part. So right here, this is the regular one, and next right here, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the knotless method. So doing the same thing, passing the crochet hook through the hair. So this time you're only going to be passing half of the hair through the loop, just like that, and pull on both ends to secure it in place. So I use the knotless method on the middle part because I want it to look like it's coming out of my scalp, not just like a crochet style. So right there, as you can see. Okay, so this is the finished result before going ahead to wash the hair, before going ahead to trim it. As you can see, it's looking good. I have my big afro. Yeah, love it. Okay, so right before I trim the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. Okay, moving on, before applying shampoo to the hair, I'm first of all going ahead to wet the hair to make sure it's fully wet before going ahead with the shampoo. And I went ahead and apply shampoo to wash it and rinse out the shampoo, then apply conditioner, rinse it out. And this is the final results right here. Just drying off the excess water. Okay, so next I'm gonna take the scissors and trim a little bit out of the tip of the hair before going in with a hair cream. Okay, so moving on to the next step right now, I'm going in with the scissors to cut and trim the hair to my liking, just cutting and shaping it to the way I want it to look. So this is the end result of the hair transformation. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. And I'll see you in my next one.